This is a special news bulletin. There is an apparent uprising taking place by the flock pastor by the world-renowned Imperial Galactic Bishop Maybuck. All members are being asked to join the women's ministry in their revolt against the bishop. The revolt is being led by none other than the bishop's backbone and head of security, High Archpriestess, Bishop in Rising, Galactic Empress Sharon Laverne Fuller. Bishop Maybuck has been seen begging the High Archpriestess to remain as a viable part of his membership. The bishop extended a subject and a predicate in the tune of a sermon titled, "How Deep Is Your Love?" The good bishop likened some of the members of his flock to being hoes. "We want them to go. The bishop is in the process of separating the sheep from the hoes." Again, it is being said that the hoes have got to go. Stay tuned for an update to see which members will go and which ones will remain. In the words of the bishop and Keith Sweat, how deep is your love? Who, you, with, who you with?